Hello friends, welcome to new video. In this video we are going to see how to create a website like Craigslist, quicker.com or any ad classified ads website in WordPress. So I have one hosting, that is Dreamhost. I have one domain with my name, that is amitmane.online, that I have created one subdomain store.amitmane.online, and I have installed a theme called Listfinity. So using this theme we can create the website which is looks similar like Craigslist and quicker.com and any classified website. With this theme we can create. So after installing theme, let's see the how to install theme again. So in this Dreamhost's control panel look like this. Here is the section called websites. Under that there is a option manage website. Click on that. Is in this section there are list of all websites and domains that are hosted on your hosting platform. I have recently purchased one domain, that is amitmane.online, and AXL amazing. This is a work domain. So I have clicked on WordPress that I have installed on that subdomain called store.amitmane.online. So this is the dashboard of WordPress. So in the appearance section there is themes. Click on that and click on add new. Click on upload theme. Then if you have a theme in zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. So I have theme, that is list affinity, in a zip format. Select that theme from browse option and click on open. After clicking that, the theme will be uploaded and get activated after clicking activate button. So this is the after activation window of list affinity theme. Click on start. It will start the procedure to install the theme. So there is a details of our server, my server. Then click on next. Let's build and activate the child theme. So if you want to install the child theme, you can install it or you can simply skip it. Install the plugins. Let's install some essential plugins. So this list affinity theme requires some plugins that are listed here: Elementor, List Affinity Core, Redux Lite, WooCommerce and Innovato Market. Simply click on install. With the help of these plugins we can create and sell products on quicker.com and display the classified ads on our newly created website using list affinity theme. These are the required plugins. With the use of plugins our website is functioning well. So Elementor is the plugin which we use to edit our entire website, like change our layout, add new photos, add new sections. Then List Affinity Core is the plugin that is come with this theme. Then Redux Lite it is also come with this theme. Then again, this is another plugin called WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin which is used to sell the products, sell the services like freelancers, fiverr.com. So the help of WooCommerce we can sell services, goods, products. This plugin helps in that purpose. Then another plugin is Invato Market. It is also comes come with this theme. So it takes some time to install these all the required plugins, essential plugins. So once it get installed, then our theme will work properly. So now I get this theme for free. If you want this theme for free, then I will provide the link for that. So comment if you comment in this video if you want to this theme for free. I will provide you that link also. You just simply download it from that link and upload the zip file to this appearance section, and after activation of that theme, this window, this procedure, just simply follow this procedure to create a lovely website like quicker.com, Craigslist, marketplace, classified ads website. So this is very useful plugin theme. With the help of this theme, this comes with pre-built websites and pre-built templates. Simply we choose any template from that, and no need to activation. It is under GPL license. I am just using this theme which is under GPL license, general public license. So it get activated, and we use the all the premium features of this theme for free. So just simply comment down if you want to create a similar website, or you want to just practice it using WordPress. So it will take some time to install these required plugins. See this green mark is come when the plugin gets installed and activated. So here the Elementor, Listfinity Core, Redux Lite and WooCommerce is installed, fully installed and activated. Only one is remaining, that is Invado Market. This procedure takes some time. You see this that list affinity theme. If we get this zip file, and if we extract it, it will be extracted to this folder. If we open this folder, there are some options like a list affinity theme. This is a list affinity zip file is to be uploaded on WordPress at appearance section. And there is another theme called child theme. If you want to install and activate this theme, you just simply upload it, you add appearance and themes, and just simply browse and select this zip file and upload and activate this theme also. So the both child and parent themes get installed and activated automatically. So this folder comes with the documentation and licensing, that is it will comes under the GPL license. I have just said that. So this GPL license doesn't require any paid payment or extra cost. It is simply free to use to anyone. This is the GPL license. So we say this, we can see this now. The Invato market is taking some time, so we should pause this video. After installation we will continue. So see it now, the plug all the plugins are installed successfully and activated. So this after installation of plugin, this section comes which is import the content. So it has some categories like only boat category, only car category, only reality category, only pet category. All it comes with the classic that comes under all category. So we see the some demo website. So we want to make a similar website like craigslist.org. So this website has look this has all the sections and all the categories, like it will show you the housing, it will show you the services, it will show you the farm, garden, furniture, garage, general, household, jewelry, so motorcycle, music, sporting, tickets, tools, toys, games, trailers, boats, books, businesses, cars, trucks, CDs, clothes, collectibles, all the categories that it have. It has also jobs. So if anyone want to post his requirement, so you see just simply create a posting. Here is option. After clicking this option, the creator choose to the location. After clicking that, it will be continued to all the details. After filling the details, that ad will be classified, ad will be shown at this home page of the cracks list. So see, similar website we should make. These are there are categories like boats, cars, realities, and pets. So we can simply import the contents to our newly created website if we want. So right now I am creating this for all the categories. So I want my website to display the and say this ads, classified ads, which has all the categories, which has jobs, which has housing, which has services, which has all selling and buying categories. So just simply select on classic all categories and click on import. So it will start the procedure to import the content on our website. After importing, that is after completing 100%, it will import and just simply create the demo for our newly created website, that is newly created classified website. So it will take some time. We just pause this video. After completing 100%, we shall move further. So this procedure is completed successfully. All done happen. This theme has been set all to enjoy your new theme. So our website is ready. This content will be exported to our newly created website. Just click on view your website. will redirect to our newly created website that has imported the content of all the categories. So this is the theme which has all the settings of dashboard setup, header setup, page setup, hero setup, registration setup, location setup. From this we can set up our website and simply save these changes to create according to our requirement. So we have just imported the content. It has one section called list affinity option. Through that this section we can create the listing, compare listing title, listing pages, listing auction. This is simply on and off, on and off. So this is off. So after enabling this all the options that are off, this has all the options like email setup. Keep this option on, click on save changes. After doing the all setup, this window has all the setups required to create a lovely and wonderful website similar to the quicker.com. This theme comes with all the required features. We just install the child theme after installing. So page setup is off. So something is off. So just customize according to yourself. You can change the theme colors and addition you can add additional code like additional css, additional javascript to here. After saving the changes you can change the logo from here. You can upload your own logo, main logo, to your site. You can build fields. You can customize the theme functionalities, slugs, membership, on for which users, vendor setup. So you can create this setup according to your requirement and your need. So after just saving and creating this adding this option to your site, so this site will be ready. So this theme is a list affinity. So thanks for watching this video. This in this video we have seen that how to create a website that is similar like quicker.com and craigslist.com. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, just share, subscribe, like and comment if you have any questions. So thank you very much.